Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. This video is going to be on two specific Streamlight Tlr 7 sub models. These are the models for the Sig Sauer P365, P365 XL, and the 1913S short-railed. Make sure to watch to the end for other information and a discount code. If you are an owner of a Sig Sauer P365 Xmacro, it's very easy to select the TLR7 submodels for the P365 and XL. This is not the case with the Xmacro. You're going to need to purchase the following part numbers for the 1913S short-railed that will work with the Xmacro. So the first one is the TLR7 X sub with the CR123A lithium battery, part number 69402. The other is going to be TLR7X sub with the SLB9 rechargeable battery, part number 69407, and the TLR7HLX with the SLB9 rechargeable battery, part number 69505. All of the models are multi-fuel or dual fuel, meaning they can take the CR123A lithium battery as well as the SLB9 USB-C rechargeable, regardless of what battery it comes with. We sell CR123A batteries and SLB9 rechargeable batteries separate as well. If you have purchased any of the models for the P365, P365 XL, Streamlight is now providing a key and clamp kit, part number 69322, where you can convert your P365 or XL models into a 1913S model. The kit can be used on the X sub 69401, 69406, and 69504. Before I give you the discount code, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Like this video because that is free and it's a way to help us out a lot, and please share this with others who might need this information as well. The discount code for our holiday sale is STREAM15 for 15% off with free shipping. That is good from November 13th through December 11th. After that, the code is YT10 for 10% off with free shipping. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.